Hi, my name is Deirdre Scanlan from County Tipperary, and I'm going to sing a song for you, and it's called Roisin Dubh. And I found this in a PDF on the ITMA website, which is itma.ie, in the Derry Journal, a collection of northern folk ballads and poems. So there was no air suggested. I'm not sure was it a song or a poem, but I've put the melody of another song that I know called O'Brien the Blacksmith to this. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh boys, oh hone, I'm all alone, and my eyes with big tears fill. I'm bound today for Boston Bay in a steamship from Moville. There's no relief, I'm blind with grief, and my pride has got a fall. For I'm leaving darling Roisin Dubh, my girl from Donegal. Oh, she has eyes like May morn skies, and midnight in her hair. A swan-like breast, love's cozy nest, and a face that's ever fair. Where the heather grows and blooms the rose, the rarest rose of all, in her beauty grew my Roisin Dubh, my girl from Donegal. But who can tell the thoughts that dwell in a mind with care oppressed? Or who can know the weight of woe that's buried in my breast? I sigh and moan, I'm weary grown, and the day dawns like a pall. For I'm leaving darling Roisin Dubh, my girl from Donegal. Oh, I'd be glad, an Irish lad, to slave in the old soil, with a pick or spade, though poorly paid, from the Shannon to the Foyle. But I've travelled here and travelled there, my luck's gone to the wall, and I'm leaving darling Roisin Dubh, my girl from Donegal. But when out west I'll work my best till fortune's web is won, and my eye is bright, my step is light, and I have the dollars won. Then when I've trod my native sod, once more with cash at call, sure I'll marry darling Roisin Dove, my girl from Donegal. For she has eyes like May morn skies, and midnight in her hair. A swan-like breast, love's cosy nest, and a face that's ever fair. From the Blarney stone to Inishowen, none can compare at all with the tried and true, my Roisin Dove, my girl from Donegal. So this song is another Donegal song, and it's called Meena Cross. It was written in the late 1920s or early 30s by a Father Tommy Doherty. And I found it in a book that I bought in Letterkenny last summer called Donegal Songs, Poems, Stories and Pilgrimages. And it's to the air of another well-known traditional song from Donegal, The Maid of the Sweet Brown Now. So thanks to the RCC and to Ceol for giving me the opportunity to do these songs for you. So here it is, Meena Cross. One day as I went a walking on the road to Tipperary, just out beyond the bathing pond, I met a sweet colleen. Her features were enchanting and her hair was all a curl. As she nearly took my breath away, that darling little girl. Like many another bachelor, I was out to have some fun. So as she passed, I promptly asked if as my wife she'd come. Sure my question wasn't finished when I heard the colleen say, "Gee, you're the guy I'm looking for, your offer sounds okay." Her answer came so sudden, I was sorry that I spoke. So straight away I tried to say that it was all a joke. My explanation she ignored, and to save all further strife, I had to promise there and then I'd take her for my wife. I planned a quiet marriage, and for me that wasn't hard. We'll just retire to Father Maguire in Letterkenny Ward. Gino, said she, sure that ain't posh, and she gave her head a toss. We'll go out to Father Doherty in dear old Meena Cross. So Father Doherty tied the knot, and I thought I saw him smile, for my frightened face looked like her lace that covered all the aisle, and the crowded church was all bedecked with flowers of every bloom, and the wedding hymn was played and sung by Father Art McCloon. And now that I am tired for life, to bachelors I would say, if you take a walk, don't dare to talk to a girl along the way. If this tip you refuse, you'll surely lose your freedom and your dole, As I found to my cost, when a word I tossed to that damsel near Dunlow.